that one single letter can carry more than one harakat. Like you are looking this Hamza, and what
Okay.
does it have, Hamza?
Zabar.
A zabar. In some versions of the qaida, you may find that Hamza has zabar, and at the same time Hamza has given the zair beneath, and now Hamza is carrying how many harakat? Two, zabar and zair, and they add pesh as well.
Okay.
So now Hamza carries how many harakat? Three.
3.
Zabar, zair, and
Pesh.
pesh. But they don't mean that at the same time, in one go, you read these three harakat. That is impossible as well. So you will consider three letters. You will say this is apparently one Hamza with three harakat, but no, in fact, this is not one Hamza. They want you to consider it three separate Hamzas. First time Hamza with Zabar, and second time again consider it a Hamza with Zair, and then third time consider it Hamza with a Pesh. Okay, so if you find somewhere that they have given one letter three harakat, three different harakat, so consider that one letter as three letters. Clear?
Ji.
Because one letter at the same time cannot carry more than one harakat. Okay, so we have learned about the jazm and about sukun and sakin.